There's a lot going on in the world, right? There's a lot of turmoil, a lot of confusion, uncertainties for people. And that's why we're offering a workshop on October 20th called Calm in the Chaos, Managing Election Stress. I hope you'll join me. It's going to be at 1 o'clock on October 20th, and it's going to be on Zoom and also in person. You're going to learn some cutting-edge techniques based in ancient wisdom confirmed by modern science on how you can find a greater sense of peace and calm and live in this world without being so thrown off base by what's going on in the world around you, so that you can have more peace, more joy, more fulfillment living in this world, and also to be more effective. Don't you want to live your life with a greater sense of joy and appreciate the blessing of being here and not be a victim of what's going on outside with the election, I'm not saying don't be involved in that process. Yeah, absolutely get involved. Go out and vote. But to have a sense of calm and peace throughout the process. That's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be practical, hands-on, and it's going to make a difference for you. And this time, with everything going on in the world, to find your center of calm and peace and joy. So I hope you'll join me October 20th at 11 a.m. on Zoom and at the Unity Center in person. I'll see you then.